Breaking news. Former Finance Minister Tendai Biti has been arrested in Mutare alongside journalist Vano Chinowaita, lawyer Nyasha Gerald, and activist Morgan Mwe. Third Eye News can confirm the four were detained by security forces on Saturday as we delayed a delegation from the Constitutional Defenders Forum (CDF), an emerging coalition mobilizing civic and political opposition to the government's planned Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3, Cap 3. That was subscribe or like out on the bell icon. The arrest took place in Mutare City Center, where the Constitutional Defenders Forum yet convened a consultative gathering with the residents of Manicaland province to explain the implications of the proposed amendments to Zimbabwe's supreme law. The CDF has been at the forefront of a growing civic movement that argues Cap 3, if passed, would fundamentally alter the democratic architecture of the republic and clear the legal path for President Emmerson Mnangagwa to seek an extended presidential term beyond the current constitutional limits. The arrangement, critics have labeled the ED28 agenda. BT, a senior figure in the Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, and former MDC Treasurer General who served as Finance Minister in the 2009 to 2013 governments of national unity, is one of Zimbabwe's most recognizable opposition voices on constitutional matters. His presence in Mutare leading a public engagement mission signals the elevated stakes the opposition attaches to fighting the amendment before it reaches the floor of parliament. His arrest underscores that the state's response is not targeted narrowly at public figures, but extends at grassroots organizers, a pattern that, if confirmed, suggests a more systematic intent to disrupt the CDF's provincial outreach program. Cap 3 has become the defining political flashpoint of 2026, concentrating anxieties about democratic backsliding, executive overreach, and the integrity of Zimbabwe's post-2013 constitutional settlement into a single legislative battle. Tomamiro zvakaita the arrest yaitwa vana biti. Pina comment section medu mbotiudza mafungo enyu kuti kudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.